This week's problem of the week involves Romulus and Remus, identical twins who also are the fictional founders of the city of Rome, and they're running in opposite directions around a circular track. And here they are. And now here they are at the starting line, and we've got an aerial shot as we've borrowed the Smarties blimp that came in last night for the Cubs game, and they agreed to take an aerial shot of our gentlemen running around the track. And since one runs twice as fast as the other, we've ascertained that the one would go 2/3 of a lap, while the other would only be able to go 1/3. So we've marked our track into thirds. And then we're going to take these turns where one goes 2/3 while the other goes 1/3, and we're going to keep track. So there's our first pass before either one has finished the lap. And then after Romulus has finished his first lap, they pass again. And then as they both come to the end of a lap, Romulus 2 laps and Remus his first lap, they've made their third pass. And then their fourth, and then their fifth, and Romulus has now finished 3 laps. And then as Romulus comes to the end of the fourth lap, they're at their sixth pass. And then we realize it's 3 passes for every 2 laps. So as they come to the end of 6 laps for Romulus, they're at 9 passes. However, some of you might argue that since the passes were only until they finished the lap, that you might argue that the last pass never occurred until after they finished the lap. So the answer is 9, or we'll accept 8 this week to this week's problem of the week.